Setting up the Revolut Junior app is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To set up the Revolut Junior app, follow these instructions for children aged 13 or under. A parent or guardian with an existing Revolut account opens the app. Now, they go to the Add New section and select 18 account. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to create the account and add their child's details. They then download the Revolut Junior app onto the child's device. The child opens the app and enters the provided login information. Now, the account will be linked to the parent or guardian's Revolut account, allowing them to manage it and set spending limits. Then, we will discuss the account setup for the children aged 14 to 17. The child downloads the Revolut Junior app onto their device. Now, they open the app and choose Create Account. After that, they enter their details, including their name, date of birth, and address. Then, they verify their identity using their ID or passport. Also, they choose a PIN for their account. And they connect their account to a parent or guardian's Revolut account for approval. The parent or guardian receives a notification to approve the account in their Revolut app. Once the parent or guardian approves the account, the child can start using the Revolut Junior app.